Open TikTok, find the video you want. Tap the curved arrow on the right side. That's the share button. Tap Copy Link. Open Chrome, type sstik.io in the address bar. Tap the first result, skip any sponsored links above it. Long press the paste box at the top. Tap Paste. Tap the download button. Two options appear: without Watermark HD with a small AD label and the plain without watermark. Tap the plain one. The HD button plays an ad first. A pop-up may say Confirm and Continue. Ignore it. Tap Close. Your video is already downloading. Pull down the notification bar to confirm. Done. It's in your Downloads folder. If sstik.io is down or buggy, use SnapTik. Open Chrome, type snaptik.app in the address bar, the .app version. Avoid clones like snaptik.io or snaptik.cc. Paste your TikTok link. Tap the green download button with the arrow icon. SnapTik processes for a second, then drops a list of options. Tap the first one. Tap Download on the pop-up. The file saves silently. Open your Files app. Go to Downloads, and you'll see it there. Same clean video, no watermark. Here's the tip nobody talks about. These free tools survive on ads, and some ads are dressed up to look like system prompts. Confirm and continue. Tap Open. Big black button. Looks like Android. It's not. Only trust the green download button on the tool itself. Close every other pop-up. That's it. If this helped, subscribe. I drop one of these every Tuesday and Friday. See you in the next one.